Okay, so here's a real quick tutorial on Google Bookmarks. Um, I had someone ask how to make a shortcut on the desktop, which if you want to do that, you can grab the icon there and let go, and boom, there it is. But I prefer to use the Bookmarks bar. And if that's not turned on, you can go into settings and make sure that your bookmarks bar is turned on right here. Now I'm signed in to Google Chrome, which means if I'm on another computer somewhere else and I sign into Google Chrome, I will have all of my bookmarks right there. That's why I like it. If I put it on a desktop, let's say I want to put my YouTube page on a desktop, I have to be at this computer to get to it. So I like to keep mine in the bookmarks bar. So here's how that works. Let's say that you go to this page every day. All you have to do is, again, drag and let go, and there it is. So that'll take you there. Now, let's say that you have a bunch of them. You notice I have some folders here. Um, I have video tools, presses, Tech Bravo stuff. So you can organize. You can right click in an empty space, add a folder, call it everyday stuff. And you can organize these. So let's say you go to Comcast every day. We'll drop it in there. Let's say, of course, you go to Facebook every day. So we're going to hold that down and drag it in there. Now when you go back to it, here they are. It's adding the bookmarks for you. And that's just a real neat way to organize them and keep everything. And then there's other things. Here you have even more settings where you can organize. I think you can go to Bookmark Manager, you right click and go to Bookmark Manager, and then you actually get all the folders here and you can look through and work on them here. But I find it a lot easier just to work on them from here. If I wanted to get rid of this folder and put them back out to the top, I would just drag them back out and then right click and delete that folder. So that's how you use the bookmarks. Now if you do want it on the desktop, you can do the same thing. You can either grab one of the bookmarks that's already here and drag it over and let go, and that'll give you a bookmark that way. Or you can grab over here on the icon. Sometimes it'll be a lock, sometimes it won't, sometimes it'll be a favicon, but whatever. You just grab over here in this corner and let go, and you have a shortcut. So either way, that should help you out. Till next time, from the shed quarters, Tech Bravo out.